I need cups. I need cups. Where we get cups from? Cups. So what we got going on is red Solo cups. Sam's got this truck. He inserted, or let's say, put on a beer tap. IPA. It's gonna be good. I'm getting the red cups for that. You can't have a party without the red cup. Right now we're doing a photo shoot downtown. Sam's got Palo Verde. I get some more liquor store snacks. Yeah, that's good. I'm ready to go now. I think I got everything.
You think you got everything?
Yeah. Please go through. I'm playing.
We will fight.
I got plenty of money. I'm just joking. I don't know if I got it. All right. Now swipe or insert. All right.
Okay, I've been working like 3 jobs. Probably why I never see ya. Probably why I never have time for the fake friends that won't be ya. Oh God, I've been running now. Up early when the sun is out. Not setting out my own soul, but those real ones, they coming out. Oh, look who's reaching out. Old friends wanna feature now. They don't work, so they need it free. Ooh, you reaching out from the west side of that old town, but there's no shows till I go down to the open mic. Show love to the real ones that know now. Some of y'all don't know now. In a couple months, you gon' find out. Been blowing up from the underground, and they stepping on a landmine now. And he knows it's my time now. Coming up, I'm on a climb now. Everybody claim they been bottom, but it's looking like they took a time out. Okay, I'm working on a Wednesday, then up again the next day. So-and-so is popping, man, I skip him like he leg day. Kick it like I'm Pele, I never care what they say. Put myself on Spotify, so every day my payday.
Do a little quick taste test. Oh yeah. That's ice cold 805 out of a piece of shit truck. All right, that's about 15, 16.
That's nice.
Okay.
Yeah, you got a good flow.
And the minute I bought it, I didn't buy it. Because no bed, no hood. How are you gonna do patina without it? So what's funny about the story is I had already paid him for the truck, but I didn't want to go pick it up. So a couple months go by, and he's just kept, I don't know if you know Joe Yezzi, but he's just like, dude, when you. All of a sudden one day, he's like, I need you to come get it. I said, you know what? I don't want it, keep the money. I don't want the truck, can't do anything with it. A couple days later, Broy knocks on my door, and the cab is in the back. So this is Palo Verde. The truck was actually found in a junkyard, but it was just the cab and the front fenders. And it was a shotcrete truck, an old concrete truck. With the beautiful door art and the patina, it just had to be saved. Biggest challenge now was, well, where am I gonna find a hood? Where am I gonna find a bed? And what am I gonna do with the truck? So with the cab, and then once I found the bed in New Mexico, I had a truck. Now all I needed was powertrain, chassis, and all the other fun stuff. So picked up the phone, called Delmo, and sure enough, he had a chassis almost ready to go. Willwood brakes, chopping block components. Called Accuair. They shipped out a CVT with the compressor and the valves in the tank. So I had my air ride, I had my chassis. Called Jason Bowman at Big Ten Garage, and he started building a 5.3 LS motor. I thought, how can I make this the best car show truck ever? Simple. Keg, CO2, and 120 feet of stainless feeds this vintage construction cooler on the back, which is a jockey box. So the keg and the CO2 feed this vintage contractor cooler that acts as a jockey box and feeds ice cold, fresh tap beer, fresh beer on tap. Job well done.
Tell them where I came here to play at.
Oh yeah, Rob was ordering pizzas the whole time.
Oh, okay, all right.
He was gonna play spec. He was gonna- That first summer, we built it in 3 months. The problem was we built it with a used big block. I was trying to keep it under budget, and the problem with a truck like this is everybody loves it, nobody wants it.
Yeah, right.
This is the craziest I'm all
Throw in
set.
some 805, baby. So Joe always gets a hotel room at the Sheraton. And then when Joe gets the room, I say, because there's 2 beds, I usually pay the other half. So that means I get the other bed.
Yeah, that's
Right?
right.
And then Broey and Brown Rob, they get the floor.
Yeah.
I was there.
Well, Rob is in Pomona, he doesn't want to go home, you know what I mean? So all
Yeah.
that, so Rob's gonna be like, yeah, I'm sleeping with you guys tonight at the hotel. Okay,
Okay,
no
yeah.
problem. Anybody can sleep at the
Yeah.
hotel. The problem is you don't tell LA Rob that he's sleeping on a floor. You just maybe hope that it comes out.
He gets a hint. Yeah.
So we get into the room, and Joe puts his bag on his bed, and he can respect that because he knows Joe booked the room. And then LA Rob puts his bag on the other bed. And then Rob and Joe are looking at me like, I guess you're sleeping at LA Rob's bed, right? And I'm like, yes, I am. I ain't gonna say nothing. But so now it's one of those things where, and he's like, that's it, you know, he's cool, he's sleeping on the bed and all that. I'm like this on the edge.
Oh, he comes
And
out
you
there.
paid the other half.
He comes out
Oh,
the
yeah,
shower.
yeah, but that don't matter,
We're,
don't
he's
matter.
in the shower, and we're all in the room talking like, does he not know what happens? You know what? He comes in the shower like this with a towel, underwear, t-shirt. He's drying off still. He's still drying off like he's about to get, like he's at home. You know what I'm saying? We went from a Saturday night sweat fest. We're also like goats. He comes fresh out the shower.
A little Old Spice,
Yeah.
a little Old Spice.
Toothbrush, and not just the ones in the front. He did the ones in the back too. Yeah, he got those. Yeah, came out and just got in the bed. We're all like this.
And they're looking at me, he's like, I paid half.
Yeah.
I have a choice. I either can, I still pay half. I can either sleep on the floor or take it like a man.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah. And anyway, he's like, oh man, he goes, you know, you didn't move an inch. Shit, hell no, I didn't move an inch.